Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how to get this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's me Pinarb, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. A video about how I used to do my makeup when I was in secondary school. So let's get to it. Let's wake up and bake up and shake up and groove and bake. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, which was the brush I used when I was in secondary school. Can you hear my dad? And I'm going to be taking the Air Matte Foundation by Bourjois, which wasn't actually what I used. I know I used the Air Matte Mousse by Maybelline, but I did not want to buy that because I don't know why I ever liked it. And I just take the foundation and just put it all around my face. Whether or not it was blended properly did not matter to me. I'd also go completely over my eyebrows because I knew that I was going to draw them on after. And then to contour, I'd take a really dark foundation and I'd squirt it where I contour. So that was on my cheekbones. This was all based off of videos that I'd seen on Facebook, by the way. Not even YouTube, because at the time I think I only watched Shane Dawson and some other guy whose name I have forgotten. And then after I'd done that, I take the same brush and blend it. Just a top tip, try not to use foundation to do your contour because it never really works well. Then I take the classic Maybelline eye eraser to erase my sins, obviously. Oh, look at how light that looks. I've got so much makeup on, my face is burning. I blend that out with the exact same brush because who needs more than one bloody brush? And I never had any technique to the way I blend. I'd literally just go all around my face. And then after I'd done that, I'd bake. Now baking wasn't really that big of a thing, but again, I saw someone do it on Facebook and I was like, I've got to do that. So to bake, I'm gonna use the Luxury Banana Powder by Revolution because I think I used to use the collection one to bake under my eyes, but I don't have that. I only have their pressed powder at the moment, and I do really like that. So if you want, pick it up. Hashtag not sponsored. And I bake under my eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna take a different brush because I can't find my sponge, and I want it to be as baked as possible. Don't do drugs, kids. And then literally just put that under my eyes, and then I do it under my cheekbones as well. Nikki Tutorials, watch out. Oh, that's more like it. Beautiful. And then on my forehead and on my chin. And then I tip that into my makeup bag like I've just done. Oh, I've got powder everywhere. Oh, my eye is itching. Why did anyone let me do this much makeup when I was that young? Please, can someone tell me? And then, whilst I was waiting for that to bake, I'd do my eyes. So I'm going to take the Super Cat Liner by Soap and Glory, because you like to clean yourself. And I'm literally going to take it from the tip of my eyebrow and then drag it down like that. That's how I used to do it. And then drag it down. Perfect. I still got it in me. I still got it. I'm proud of myself. Let's do the same on the other eye, really. Oh, okay. One thing I used to be able to do when I was younger that I can't do now is even eyeliner. When I was younger, my eyeliner was just always even and I never knew how I did it. And another thing I used to do was give myself a Cleopatra thing. Because I thought she was the coolest, so I do that as well. Okay, this eye, because this eye is a big old mess, because this eye obviously isn't. Then I take an eye pencil and then go under my waterline, but quite messily, because I wanted people to know that I had the skills and I didn't have fear to go under my waterline. And then I take that same pencil and do my eyebrows. So the pencil I used back then was nowhere near as pigmented and creamy as this one now, so this is going to look bit more exaggerated, but it was very boxy, very dark, very not natural. A weird curved arch, so not really an arch. That is not accurate. Oh, I've just seen myself in, because I don't have a viewfinder, so I can only see myself like when I look in the mirror where like the camera's placed, and I've just seen it and this looks very bad on camera. Don't forget to box off your eyebrows today. I always loved having like really big, really thick, boxy eyebrows because that's what they had in Geordie Shore, and I was obsessed with Geordie Shore, which may or may not be why I've got a slight ting for Geordie accents. And now that my eyes and eyebrows are done, I just go back and wipe off the bake. And I'd wipe off the bake using my bronzer brush, because that made sense to me apparently. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Look at that colour difference. Then I take my bronzer, again with the Real Techniques contour brush, and then just contour my face. This was like towards the end of like year 11, so I wasn't scared to like do this. I went to a wedding with this look, by the way. Take that a bigger bronzer brush, wax some bronzer, and then do some more because I was really cool. And now blush, the big boy. So I take again the same bronzer brush, and this, I still use this blush to this day, my favourite blush. It's called Gourpier from Sleek, and I'd literally pack it on to this brush and then just time for the lips. So I didn't actually own any black lipsticks at the time, so I again used my eyeliner pencil to do it. I liked very Marilyn Manson, like prominent Cupid's bows. When I wipe this off, it's really going to bring out my moustache. And then I take like a dark red, like burgundy purpley colour, and fill my lips in with that. Perfect. Now time for the hair. The hair was always the most important part of any of my high school makeup looks. So I take a big brush and like brush it out, and my mum didn't let me straighten it because it would damage it, which is ironic right now because I bleach it like every month, which is really bad. I kind of just like take it from the back and do that, and then like back comb it. I have some talking to do with my parents after this. Why did they let me leave the house like this? Carla! Come in here for a second, please. Is this accurate to what I looked like when I was in school?
Yeah.
There you have it, folks. So obviously I wouldn't go to school with this look. This was like my going out look. Like if I was going to like a wedding or like a family function, this would be my go-to look. But at school I'd have like subtle eyeliner with like a long flick, and then like lots of mascara and subtler eyebrows, but still quite big and like still bronzed. I have some talking to do with my parents after this video. Why did they let me leave the house like this? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe down below. Share it with your friends. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. And I hope you have a great day. Hope you're not scarred for life. Hope you're not scared. Hope you never do your makeup like this. Anyway, thank you. Bye!